Okay, so today we're looking at the ECZ paper in maths. Okay, so there's a question that came. Okay, the first question is solve the equation 8 plus 3x greater than 2. Okay, this is the one that we are solving, so I'll solve it here. So this is the solution. I'm solving it from here. So the question was this: 8 plus 3x greater than 2. How do you solve such a thing? The first thing you do is, our target is to remain with 3x, so 3x comes here. All the time the one with x doesn't go anywhere. Greater than, there's 2 this side, and then this negative 6, this 6 rather, this is 6, this 6 crosses the equal sign, it goes this side. Okay, so 6 is positive. When it crosses this side, it becomes negative. 8 is positive. When it crosses, it becomes negative 8. Okay, and then what we have, 3x greater than 2 minus 8, it is negative 6, because you get the sign of bigger number. You see, so 3x comes here, 2 comes here. When 8 crosses, since it's positive 8, when it crosses, it becomes negative 8, so it goes the other side. This is how we solve this equation, this inequality, So it is 3x, what is there, 3x greater than negative 6. So we're continuing solving it. The next thing you do is you divide by 3 here. Even there you divide by 3. So x greater than, that is 1, that is 2. X is greater than negative 2. That's how you do it. So this sign doesn't change, so that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. So that's the first question. The second question says, if x and open bracket 3x minus 2 are complementary angles, find the value of x. Okay, you remember what I said last time? I said, what are complementary angles? Angles that add up to 180. So how do you solve this? We said complementary angles are angles that add up to 180. So we are going to find the solution, which is the answer. We said if x, complementary angles are angles that add up to what? 90 degrees. You remember what I said? Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So x and 3x minus 2, if these are complementary angles, meaning x plus 3x minus 2, the sum total should give me equals to what? 90 degrees. If you remember, I said complementary angles, when you add them, they add up to 180. So it means this angle plus this angle, so x plus this one, when added together, they should form a complementary angle, and complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Any two angles that add up to 90 degrees. That's the reason why I've added x plus 3x minus 2. So what is x plus x? It is 4x minus 2 is equal to 90. Okay, So 4x, this is positive 2, it will cross this side, it will become 90. When this is negative 2 and it goes this side, it becomes positive 2. So it will be 4x. 4x is equal to 92. So 4x is equal to 92. So you divide by 4 this side, even this side by 4. So x is equal to 92 divided by 4. Okay? So what is 92 divided by 4? So say x is equal to 92 divided by 4. What number can go into 4 and 92 that leaving a remainder? 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 9, it goes 4, which is 8. Remainder 1. 2 into 12, it goes 8. So x is equal to 40. 2 into 12 is 6, not 8. Sorry. 2 into 12 is 6 there, not 8. 2 into 12, it is 6. Okay? So 2 into 12 is 6, 46. So 46 again, divided by these 2 down here, is equal to 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 6, 3. So it is 23. So the value of x is actually 23. That's how I find the value of what? The value of x. So you proceed. You keep on calculating. You go to the next question. This is the question 4. So it means x was 23. The third question is a cylinder has the radius. A cylinder has radius 21 and curved surface area and curved surface area of, okay, before I even solve this one first, before I solve this question, let me solve this one for the triangle first. So before I solve this one for the curved surface area, let's solve this one for the triangle. The question is, they gave a similar triangle that came like this. Okay? Then this is a, and then here it was 3 centimeters. Here it was 6 centimeters. And then here it was C. This is the P. And then that is the A. Point A. Point B is here. Point Q is here. Point C is there. And then this distance is 12. Okay? And then this is where the triangle was written. These were similar triangles. So it means the PQ is parallel to AB. Okay? And then the question came, the question was saying, find the ratio CQ to CB. Okay, how do you do it? The first thing you do is you split the triangle into two, into the smaller triangle and the larger triangle. So first you draw the larger triangle and the smaller triangle. So that's how you find this. So you draw the larger triangle and the smaller triangle. Okay, so this is the smaller triangle. The larger triangle is the one I've drawn as the first. So this is a smaller triangle. So this is a smaller triangle. Okay, so let's go back to the diagram. This is a diagram. Have you seen the larger triangle? The larger triangle is this one that is on the outside. This one that is on the outside. The larger triangle is A, CB. Okay, maybe you don't see it, I draw it for you. The larger triangle is this one, okay. This is a larger triangle, this is the one that I've picked, okay. That is a larger triangle. Is it clear? So that's a larger triangle, so it means it's this one here, which is a larger triangle. What's the distance of the larger triangle? That distance there, the one that is on top, is what? The larger triangle, the distance on top here, it is 3 plus 6, which is 9. So the larger triangle, the distance is what? For the larger triangle, the distance is 9. So here to here, 9. Okay? Here to there, 9. And then here to there, 12 for the larger triangle. Okay? And then we are looking at the distance CQ. For the smaller triangle, what do we have? Wait first. Yeah, for the smaller triangle, so the larger triangle there it's 9, and then there it's for the smaller triangle there it is 3. Okay. There's a problem with this question. Wait first. Okay, you do this. Let me remove this. Don't write this question first. Don't write this question. Don't write this question. Okay. So this question, don't write it. Okay. So question 3, don't write it. Okay. So just end on question 2. So when you write this one, that one, this one right, this one right, the one for the complementary right, this one right, but this one for the triangle, don't write it. I'll explain it in the next video. So don't write this question, okay? This one, don't write it. Forget about it. This one for the triangle, don't write it. There was an error in the question. I need to check it out again. So this one, don't write it, okay? Only write the first 2 which I've sent, okay? Okay? This one for the triangle, don't write it. I'm rubbing it, so don't write it, okay? Don't write this one for the triangle. Forget about it. This one, don't write it, okay? So we end here. In the next video, I'll explain on the triangle.